So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share my mistakes that I have attempted when I was preparing for NEET exam, and you should take help from all these mistakes, and I hope you will not repeat it. Okay, so my first major mistake was I didn't read NCERT book for physics chemistry. I read NCERT book for biology, but in my second attempt I haven't read NCERT in my first attempt. Right, so that was a major mistake I have attempted, because I was also preparing for JEE Mains. So in JEE Mains we don't require NCERT book at that much. So I thought that I should not read NCERT book because I have a plenty of books, right, like other books, but it didn't help in my NEET exam. So that's the first thing I wanted to share, because too many students feel that we have to solve S.C. Verma or some other books like Arihan or Pradeep or something else, but that is not necessary, or that is not required for NEET exam, because you just have to read NCERT and previous year question paper. That is enough, right? And okay, so this was the first mistake. I have done this mistake for chemistry as well as physics. For biology, I have read NCERT. That's why I am able to score good marks in biology part, not in physics and chemistry. Okay, in the next mistake that I have attempted was I haven't revised. Like after reading NCERT book, once, you didn't got enough time for revision, because maximum population of maximum people, maximum student not able to revise NCERT book even 2-3 times, right, or 4-5 times, and the people who are getting more marks is are revising NCERT book even 10-15 times. So there is a major difference. There is nothing called memory power. You have to just revise and just visualize each and every words. Just after reading NCERT 10-15 times, you just have an idea like in which page this thing is written. Okay, so everything is into your mind, right? Everything is there inside your mind, and you can read NCERT book inside your mind, and your mind just after looking at a question, your just mind just click on that page number of the book and just hit on the main thing. Like when most of the students score good marks in 10th exam, board exam, and most of the students, what they do is they have revised many times, like 10th mathematics they have revised many times. About in 12th also, in boards exam, you have revised enough time, so that you have heard that few students just know the answer, exact answer 32.2 is the answer. They just know it. How? Because they have practiced it and they have revised it. So in this exam also, you just have to revise. Like my mistake was I didn't understand like why I'm not able to revise, because I don't like to read from NCERT book, and I didn't prepare any notes for my revision. That's the second or third mistake I have done. I have to make a proper notes, and I have to make a notes. I was making notes, but not NCERT. I was making notes just by some books or reference book, or by listening lectures of some coaching institute online. And as you know, nowadays the coaching institutes are focusing more on NCERT, but at my time they were just uploading 12 to 13 lectures of a single topic. Like what? I was reading sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and I have made notes for around 13 to 14 lectures of 1 hour. Like I thought that this is all are important, because a doctor is teaching you. Like if a doctor is teaching you on the internet, like how it could be possible that it will not come in the exam. But at that time, most of the YouTubers are crazy for getting followers and views. That's why they were uploading 12 hours video or 1 hour video for each and every topic. Like for to know about Anther, I have to watch 1 hour video for to get to know about that topic, and the questions are coming only 2 or 3 from that topic. So what is the benefit of reading the entire chapter? So when I was giving my second attempt, I was following, I don't want to disclose the name of the coaching, but so he was just posting a lot of lectures, I just can't tell you how many lecture was that. For reproduction, it was 12 to 18 different topics, right? And there were lectures, 1 hour lecture for each and every topic. I have made around many notes for genetics, and genetics was completed in around, I was not able to complete genetics even after watching lectures, because the genetics topic was divided into 15 to 20 topics, subtopics, and it was around 1 hour lecture for all of them. So he was talking about how Mary Millen got typhoid, and how it has infected the whole population, and who was Elizabeth, and hemophilia. So that was not necessary. The thing that was necessary is the content, because as you have seen in biology part, like I'm talking about Neet, so the pattern they follow is just NCRT, and in genetics also you will not get deep questions like, oh, tell me the enzymes interacting all these species, then what will happen. They will not ask you all these things, because they know that you don't have that much knowledge. They just ask you a simple question that you can easily remember, like degeneration, specific, unambiguous, right? You don't have to read the entire thing. That I was making this mistake, and if you are doing the same mistake, and today you know there are very good teachers out on social media, like I am not disclosing any name, but you have that much good teachers, so just read. Is short, right? You don't have to go into deep. Okay, so when I was a student, I had a curious mind. I wanted to know everything. Like if there is a if there is a if there is a DNA fingerprinting, I just want to know how this works, and what are the things involved in it. I wanted to be a forensic lab investigator. That is not necessary. You don't have to watch Crime Patrol, or you don't have to watch Daya serial, like राइट फॉरेंसिक लैब था वहाँ पर, वो सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस वॉज अ मिस्टेक दैट आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड. अपना क्यूरियोसिटी को थोड़ा कंट्रोल में रखो अभी, बिकॉज यू विल गेट ईच एंड एवरी नॉलेज व्हेन यू गो टू द मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल और जो भी मेडिकल कॉलेज और एनीवेयर. इफ यू आर biotechnology. So when I was reading biotechnology, I wanted to know the whole procedure of biotechnology, like how this works and how this stir tank reactor, what is bioreactor and all that. So I was reading everything about that, like UPSC aspirant. I was not focusing on the thing that is that Neet wants. I was just studying like haphazardly manner, anything like UPSC aspirant do. They just read anything because it is unpredictable. UPSC exam is really unpredictable. You don't know from where they will ask questions, but in Neet exam you know from where they were going to ask questions, so you don't need to go around here and there, right? So this is the thing that I have made a mistake. If you are doing the same mistake, if you are curious at the age of 17-18, too many students have a lot of curiosity, but you don't have to be that much curious, right? Just remember, if you are the people who are not into mugging the concepts, Neet requires it. You have to mug it. You have to just remember it. And there is no other options available to you. You have to write it. You have to look at it. You have to do anything to remember it. If you're not able to understand any concept, don't try. Don't try to just go into deep. You just have to remember it, right? That is the main thing. After remembering, you can watch videos or do anything. But after doing revision, you can do it. The best thing is that you have to do a lot of revision and try to make a short video of some YouTube channel, right? You don't have to rely on the YouTube channel for your whole preparation. YouTube channel देख के नहीं आएगा मार्क्स, बुक्स पढ़ के आएगा, right? केमिस्ट्री के लिए भी I have done the same. केमिस्ट्री के लिए भी I have referred to a lot of. I have done BSc chemistry for I don't know what is that, but I don't have to do BSc chemistry for the NEET exam. So I was so interested in chemistry that I have done BSc chemistry. Can you imagine like how much curiosity I had in my when I was in 18 or 17 years old. That curiosity kills my dream, everything. But when I